Hello, welcome to Adobe Muse. This video will walk you through step-by-step in making your own personal website. This program is intended for users with little or no background in website design. First things first, open up the program. Click on Site under Create New. A new window will open up in which you can adjust the size, number of columns, margins, and other layout settings. We'll go ahead with the default settings. Now, you can see the program has four main tabs at the top. These tabs represent the four main steps to creating a website: Plan, Design, Preview, and Publish. We'll start with the Plan tab, where we will create a sitemap of our website. You want to create the sitemap in the order you'll want your menu, so the first page will be the home page. Next, we can click on the plus signs on either side to create other standard web pages, such as About, where we will include general information. We will also include Services as another page, and a Contact page, which is standard across most websites. Clicking on the plus sign below the web page will create subpages. You can of course use any titles for your pages, but we will be using History and Goals for this demonstration. Continue planning your website and organize the information so that it will be easily navigable for other users. Notice at the bottom of the Plan tab, there is a section for the master pages. A master page acts as a template for your web pages. You can design a master page with a standard layout and apply it to the rest of your web pages. So, let's click on the master page icon twice and go ahead to designing. In the Design tab, you will see a set of various tools at the top and side of the page. The 6 main tools are at the top of the page, which include Selection, Crop, Text, Zoom, Hand, and Rectangle. The other tools on the right help you modify your objects even more. Let's start designing our website. First, use the Text tool to insert your website title. When you click on the Text tool, you'll notice a new set of tools on the second bar at the top, which will allow you to modify your text from the font size to the type. You can click on the color swatches on the right side of the page and change the color of the font. You can also add a hyperlink to the text. Select the text and click Hyperlink in the upper right corner. You can either insert a URL or use the drop-down menu to link to another page on the website. Next, we will insert a logo on the page. To insert an image into the program, you can copy and paste or drag the image from the desktop. Now we will create the standard layout for the body of the web page. For this website, we will create one section for text using the Rectangle tool. When you select an object, you can modify specific features such as corners and borders. You can also use the Effects menu to add other features such as a shadow. You can also add a footer at the bottom for any quick contact information. The final step is to create your menu. Click on Object and select Insert Menu and pick the type of menu you'd prefer. We will choose the horizontal option. You can use the same tools used earlier to modify the menu. After you've designed your master page, you can go back to the Plan tab and you can see that the master page layout has been applied throughout the website. Also, if you don't want the master layout on a specific page, right-click the subpage and select No Master from the Master submenu. From here, you can click on each individual page and design the remainder of your web pages. We went ahead and added specific content to most of our web pages. Now, we can test out our website by clicking on the Preview tab. Here, you can review content, navigate to other web pages, and even test hyperlinks. After you have finalized your website, you can go on to Publishing by clicking on its tab. In order to publish your website, you can create a Business Catalyst account, or you can go to File and Export as HTML. Click on the Browse button and select the location of the folder you'd like to save your website to. Click Export. By clicking on the folder, you can see that your website has been created with all the right files and coding without you writing a single line of code. As you can see, Adobe Muse is the ideal program for easily creating a unique and professional website. Now you can design away!